My name is Michael Lean, Managing Director of Fresh Frontier. We're a predominantly fresh fruit and veg company. We can supply only processed or only salads or only fresh or combine the three, which makes us a bit unique. We will sell to very different clients. So anything from a little IGA to a huge mine site, we get those clients in and they're comfortable with us because they know, right, Fresh Frontier is taking care of it, and that's a huge part of it, that the client feels safe in buying from us. I mean, inventory control, it's quite simple. You buy in 4 boxes of tomatoes and it goes into that corner. Where I want to get to is, if I sell a tub of potato salad today, how much did it cost me to make exactly? And how much am I selling it for on a daily basis? And with Wiise, we can do that. So yeah, I just couldn't imagine not having Wiise now. They're enabling me to get what I want out of the, for the business. And just to have a business that doesn't have to be frantic. Just calmness, serenity, and yeah, we can operate like a normal company. Yeah. The 3 things for me were the order automation, getting the orders digitally done. The second was the speed with which we could get that data turned into information for our production. And the third really is the people movement. They're the 3 big ones that I wanted to get going as quick as we could. Order automation was huge. So no more mistakes. That automation of the ordering system is one of the key ones I wanted. The second one really was the people movement. People aren't just wandering around like Brown's cows anymore with bits of paper in their hand. The work is in front of them, they hit their buttons, they see the orders, they see the invoicing. It's all just being done because we have now automated all our ordering through Web Ninja, through EDI, through AI. The third thing is the speed of the data into valid information for the production. The packers now, they all have iPads. There's no paper, so the order comes from the client, it gets the whole Wiise treatment, and it's on their iPad and they start working. It's just incredible. We can actually make corrections on the run as well because they're synced up to the same system. In regards to cybersecurity attacks, we have had a couple of issues in the past. We've since moved everything now is cloud-based. So we have different security systems in there, and when it has happened in the past, it's been resolved within a few hours. We'll ring up Wiise, help, and then they just sort it out. They just say, bum, 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 do this, that, and we're done. And I'm there, thank God. Is there any money missing? So the actions are really quick. For me, the most important feature has been really the accessibility. My staff can be at home if needs be. So that accessibility is huge. And maneuverability for me, you know what I mean? I can move around it really easily, which for a dinosaur like myself is really great. It's user-friendly. We've been using Wiise for about 3 years now. The difference with Wiise now is I can have conversations with clients and they're so impressed at what I can give them. So for them then to know, wow, this Fresh Frontier mob, they actually know what they're talking about. They actually can give us what we want, the data we want, and the ordering platforms we need. It gives me an edge. A larger company than me, much bigger, are interested in what we're doing and how we're doing it. I said, look, you need to get Wiise on board. You have to get them in. I said, I can show you, but these guys know what they're talking about. I can only show you the end result that Wiise gives us. So yeah, I just couldn't imagine not having Wiise now. And now the difference is just chalk and cheese. You can't compare it.